Hi, I am Dr. Devorshi Jana as a consultant biostatistician and epidemiologist. Today, I am discuss how to collect the data for MD/MA student in West Bengal. I am discuss how to collect the data for MD/MA students. Your hypothesis, your objectives, your aims, study design, your inclusion criteria and exclusion criteria, sample size and statistical methods. You have to prepare your collection data in pro forma, in the hard copy or in the soft copy. First, you apply for ethical clearance certificates and fill up the informed consent form from the patients and collect the data in pro forma. You have to collect the data from patients and reports, clinical and biochemical or any pathological parameters. Collect the notes in the pro forma sheet. You fill up the pro forma sheet in the hard copy or you fill up in the soft copy. You have to collect the data in the consistent way. You have to collect the data your patient population or selected populations. Maintain the data confidently and put the data in Excel or Microsoft Excel format. You fill up the data collection in Excel format and your data or sample size was full in the thesis. So then you check the data. Then you check your guide or co-guide. After that, your data collection is complete for thesis.